In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel safe mode in your Android phone. So at first, if I enable safe mode, just swipe down and then tap on this power icon, then touch and hold on the power off icon. Then tap on safe mode. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode. So just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. You can see safe mode is enabled. Now just unlock your phone. Now to cancel or disable safe mode, just swipe down. Now you have to just tap on tap here to turn off safe mode. Then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable or cancel safe mode. So just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone again and it's complete. Now you have to just swipe down and then disable flight mode from here. Now your phone is ready for use. And that is how you can disable or cancel safe mode in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.